Hello everyone and good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Vikas.
Good morning everyone. Okay, good morning Arun, good morning Heman, Nitish, Ruth, and good morning everyone. Cool. As per the agenda, we are into the day 5 today. Okay. Where is the syllabus? We have to come to the website www.clouddevopshub.com. We have to just click on this link, join current batch or join current batch here, and you will be landed into this page. And here is the syllabus. Because some students are still asking with me where is the access or where exactly the syllabus is. Okay, so here is the syllabus, and we are here. And in the yesterday's session, let me make it little bit bigger. Okay, size should be 100%. Cool. Okay, now we are here. Okay, in the yesterday session, we have already started the Linux, right? Have you tried, guys, with the mobile extreme? It is able to access. You are able to work with the help of mobile extreme little bit. Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
Okay, little bit 5-10 commands. If you are able to do it in the yesterday's class, that's great. Okay, because today you will able to perform the 20-30 more commands. Okay, cool. And we have to learn, or we have to be into the Linux for the from the today onwards. Okay. Chalo, let's come here. Let me open my PPTs. Okay. Where is the PPT? Where is the PPT? Yes, here is the PPT. And our agenda is we have to be understand what exactly the Linux is, what exactly the Linux administration for the DevOps engineers. Okay. And after learning the Linux, after some couple of weeks, we will learn the Linux shell scripting as well. That is called bash scripting. Okay. First, you have to be aware about the Linux. Then if you will understand the bash script, you will able to perform the work. Okay. Cool. I'm going back. I'm coming here. I'm coming here. In the yesterday class, we have already discussed operating system. What is operating system? Give me the answer.
It's a system software to access the resources.
Cool. Okay, fine. Any better answer? Yeah, your answer is absolutely correct. Little bit better answer. Guys, give it, please. Answer.
System software that manages computer hardware, software, and other resources.
We can say that it's a middleware or middleware person, okay, who take the hardwares from the who take the hardware resources, CPU, memory, and provide it to the application. And application is used by the users. So the middle person is known as operating system. Okay, and we are learning the operating system Linux. Okay, in the yesterday class, I already given the answer open source. What do you mean by open source?
Where there are multiple contributors for the particular software,
That
and
is called
the source is
community. That
open.
is called community. Okay, give me the answer for open source.
Where the
It
source
will
code
be
is
available.
available publicly.
Where the source code is available on the internet. Okay, that is called open source. Community develop, yes, multiple people has involved for the same particular activity. They put their contribution, they write the code, they manage the code, they perform the activity. That is called community developed operating system. This operating system is supported in almost all the different flavors. Okay, this is what we have discussed in the yesterday session. And in this we have opened already the different links. Okay, where exactly it is. If you will come to the open or awesome OS operating system, you will able to see that there are so many different operating systems are there which are freely available into the GitHub. It's all are open source. You are feel free to download any of the operating system and perform some basic activities whatever you want. Okay, so let me ask the basic question with you. Let's assume you downloaded the code. Okay, so let me ask with you, how can we download the code of this Linux operating system?
Here one code option
Here is the code option.
button.
Yes. And then
After we
copy.
need to copy that link.
Okay, fine. I can copy the link or I can click on this download zip also. Is that fine?
Yes.
It's just like we need to make a fork of the source code.
No. If I will click on the download zip, it will download as a zip file in my environment. Okay. But I still have a question. If I will click on this, that file will be downloaded. Can I do that? Answer.
Yes.
Yes, because yes.
Or sir, there is a SSH option, no? So through SSH option, we can download directly to
Yeah,
the.
see, yeah, good. Okay, don't download with this. Okay, if you are a end user kind of person, non-technical person, okay, who don't want to work into the IT, you can click on this and you can download it. Okay, this is completely for the non-technical, non-advisable thing. Okay, as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, as a IT engineer, okay, you have to copy the link and with the help of Git tool, you have to download it. Can anyone tell me the command? I just copy the link. Okay, now what I'm doing it, I'm going here. I'm going to my any of the folder. Let me create a folder. Okay, for your batch as well, so that we will do all the activities here. Batch 34, batch 34. Okay, and I'm into the empty folder. Now I'm opening the git bash. Okay, git bash here. Okay, as soon as I will open it, what exactly will happen? One terminal will be open in front of me. Okay, I will help you out how to download this software as well. Okay, and with the help of git clone command, we can just give the URL. Okay, what exactly the URL we would like to download, and as soon as I press enter, the code will start downloading in my machine. Guys, are you able to see that? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the approach which we have to follow. Okay, don't follow direct download. It's not at all advisable. You have to download the code with the help of this approach only. Got my point? Yes or no? And I'm just closing it. I don't want to download completely. Okay, not required. And what will be the command? The command will be
Git clone.
cool. Okay, yep. Now, next step. Okay, let's assume you downloaded the complete code. What you can do after that? Think as a developer. Okay, think as a little bit innovative person. Okay, don't think that I'm a non-technical person. I'm not able to give the answer. Anyone can able to give the answer. Yes, give me.
We'll open a code in a Visual Studio.
Good. We can, if the code has been downloaded, we can open the code into the Visual Studio. We can at least see the code, right? We don't have to edit. We don't have to do any changes, but we can able to see the code at least. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
That's it. If we are able to open the code, if we are able to see the code, let us assume you know the programming language. You can do the changes into the code. You can customize it. Okay, the operating system, and either you can use it or either you can use it for yourself or either you can sell it. Both options are available, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree? This is the complete process. With the help of this process, what exactly happened? The multiple operating system has been available into the market, and here is the list of the different operating systems available. That's it. Cool? Yes, no?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, check. In the yesterday's class, we have parked that what exactly the Unix is. In the today's class, we will understand what exactly the Unix is. Okay. It's a Linux is completely free of cost. It's completely open source. It's very secure. It's very stable and performance-wise very good as compared to Windows. Okay. And in this yesterday class, we have already seen the Windows and Linux. We have already seen the difference. I think you have already tried with your own as well. Okay. And in the yesterday class, we have already created the GCP virtual machine. And today I will help you out. At the end of the today's session, around 9 or 9:15, we will create a Google Cloud account and we will perform the activity into the Google Cloud for the next 1 week. Okay, so that you will be comfortable with the Google Cloud in the 1 week of duration. Cool? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And then there are multiple approaches. You can use the mobile stream, you can use the playground, or even you can use this type of terminal also for little bit practicing of the Linux. Okay, this git bash, okay, this git bash tool also we can use, and we can learn basics of Linux command from here as well. Can anyone tell me any of the Linux command? Any of the Linux command? Basic Linux command?
LS.
LS. If I'm just typing the LS, yes. What exactly it is? It is listing all the all the folders, whatever is available into this directory. At this point, the Linux folder is available, so it is showing it. Any other command?
Touch.
Touch, 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 and then
Any
Dot
folder
to
name.
Which one?
who is giving this answer? Touch folder name. Can anyone? Who is giving this answer?
Sorry, file name.
File name. Okay, don't give the wrong answer. It will make the rejection. Okay, touch file name. What's your name?
Service.
Service, SARVESH. Okay, touch service. So what will happen? One service file has been created. So touch command can create a file. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what I want to say to you here also, you can practice little bit of Linux command because Linux is very new for you in the today's session. So yes, you can do from the today's session. Okay, cool. Chalo, fine. I'm just closing it. Not required. Now what I'm doing it. I'm here. Okay, I'm here, and now I would like to create a Google Cloud account in front of you. Okay, and so that we can do the practice of the Google Cloud. We can practice the Linux machine into the Google Cloud itself. Okay, give me some time. After 9 we will do it. Okay, now there are so many lists. Okay, there are so many flavors of Linux operating systems are there. Can you tell me in which flavors you have heard, or in your company you guys are using it? Yes,
Because we are using Ubuntu.
you are using Ubuntu. Okay, what about others? Guys, at
We are
least
using
at
RHL 8 and 9.
RHL. Okay, at least into the chat box. Everyone, please try to respond. Give the answers, please. Everyone. Yes.
Ubuntu and Amazon Linux is there, sir, in
Ubuntu and
EAW.
Okay, fine. Yes, agree. Looks good. Yes. RHL 8 and 9, Ubuntu. Yes. What about others? Yes, yes. Ubuntu. Yes. What about others? Please, please, everyone. Ubuntu. Everyone, please answer. Ubuntu. Now the answer is in front of you guys only, which is the most popular operating system which is using by the company. Okay, you can see that Ubuntu is most of the student has given the answer, and the answer is absolutely very correct that Ubuntu is the most popular operating system uses by most of the companies and the end users persons. Okay, first point. Second, another is also Fedora and Mint is also little bit popular. Companies are using it. Okay, and after that the CentOS is into the 11th rank. Okay, but companies has a choice. People are using the CentOS operating system as well. Okay, so if someone will ask which operating system you are using in your company, okay, so you can say most popular or most of the project we have a Ubuntu, Fedora, or CentOS. Guys, I'm talking. Someone is again repeating that Red Hat is not open source, freely available into the market. Okay, you have to pay for the Red Hat RHEL. You have to pay for that, and I'm coming into some minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh, got my point? Yes. Okay. Yeah. What exactly it is? RHEL. RHEL is coming into the Red Hat Enterprise Linux solution. Okay. When I'm talking about the enterprise means you have to purchase a license. You have to purchase. It is for commercial use, not for your. No, you can use it for your normal users as well, but primarily it is used for the servers and workstation. But you have to purchase a license for that. And company are interested because they need a support. Okay, they need a support. They need a help. Okay, from the company onwards, so they are taking or they are asking they are what we can say they are purchasing the license as well. Possible. Okay, it happens. Okay, Fedora is also the Linux distribution. Debian is also a Linux distribution where the open source softwares are coming. Even some other categories are also coming like open source, SU, Linux Enterprise are there. So what I can say that there are 4 Linux distributions are available into the market: Red Hat, Fedora, Debian, and others. Okay, and in the Debian, yes, our open source softwares are open source operating systems are coming like Ubuntu, Fedora, CentOS, like that. Okay, cool. Now I'm going more deeper into it. Now the very important question. Okay, now I need a little bit help from you guys only. What is the difference between Unix and Linux? Can you guys give me the answer?
Unix will have a different flavors like Solaris,
Okay.
AX, and these all are comes under the Unix family.
Okay, give the answer up to the
But
interview level. Give the answer up to the interview level. Who can help you out to get a job? Because see, if you will give this answer, interview will not be very satisfied with this answer. Correct?
yes, sir, agree.
Yes, interview level answer, please. Because see, we are learning here, and our intention is to very first intention is to crack an interview, get a job of high package. That's it. Okay. If someone you are thinking that I know Docker, Kubernetes, I have to be, but your basic should be very clear. What is the difference between Unix and Linux?
Because the Unix was the initial version of the Linux, basically.
I agree. Yes, Unix has been developed in 1969. Okay, 1969, guys, around 45 or 50 years back, the Unix has been developed. Okay, it has been developed by the Ken Thompsons into the AT&T lab. Okay, from the idea of Unix, the Linux has been created or has been developed. From the idea of Unix, the Linux has been created. Okay, if you will see here, Linux has been launched or has been created by Lon Thorvis into 1991. Even Linux is also 30-year-old. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is the biggest difference, guys. Okay, from the idea of Unix, the Linux has been created. Don't say that both are same. There are differences are there for sure, but the biggest difference is Unix is completely for the enterprise level, not free of cost. Okay, it is not freely available into the market. Okay, you have, if you want to use the Unix operating system, you have to purchase a license, then only you will able to do it. If you need a Linux, you can, it's free, open source available into the market. You can download the code, you can customize it, or you can use it free of cost as well. Okay, Linux is not Unix. Both are different. Okay, but the idea of Linux has been taken from the Unix only. Okay, cool. Now there are so many differences. Okay, Linux is open source, Unix is not open source. Okay, Linux has been developed by the person or community, Unix has been developed into the organization AT&T. Okay, Linux free to use, like Unix has a license. Okay, there are some file extensions are there which has been supported by Linux, some file extensions are there which are supported by the Unix as well. Okay, both has a GUI. Okay, what is GUI? GUI, what is it?
Graphic user interface.
Graphic user interface. Guys, others try to give the answers, otherwise Arun will take all your jobs. Okay, others, it's a competition. Yes, everyone has to give the answer. Yes. Okay, GUI, where we are using the mouse, okay, or desktop experience will be there, that is called GUI. Both has a GUI. Okay, but in the companies we are not using the GUI. Why? Yeah, in your company you are using the Linux or Red Hat, but you don't, they are not providing the GUI. Why? Have you think that?
It consumes resources.
Correct. It consumes CPU memory resources. Okay. We don't want to provide the unnecessary resources just for the UI. Okay. Cool. Correct. Okay. Both supported the bash. Okay. The whatever the shell scripting we are going to learn after 1 month. Okay. The shell scripting will come on the day 46. Whatever the shell scripting we will learn, it will be supported into both the Linux and Unix flavor. Okay. Cool. After that, yeah. And there are some example for Linux, Ubuntu, Debian, GNU, Arch Linux, other Linux operating system examples. Sun OS, Solaris, Unix, ATX, HP UX, Ultratext are the example for the Unix operating system. Okay, just read it. You will be very confident about the differences as well, because this is one of the fresher interview question. Okay, not experienced people will not ask. What experienced people has to understand. Now the time come. Okay. Now I have a very simple simple questions for you guys. What is C drive in the Windows? Go ahead, go ahead.
Boot drive.
It's a root drive. Correct. Okay. Correct. Yeah, answer is correct. It's a root drive. What do you mean by root drive?
It's a
System
first
drive.
primary disk.
Operating system is installed in root drive or C drive. Operating system is available.
Okay, okay, yeah. Better answer. Little bit better answer I need. Yeah, the operating system level components will be inside and will be available into this drive. That is called root drive. Okay, fine. I agree. Okay. Chalo. Before that, I need a Linux machine. I'm creating a Linux machine in front of you. Yeah. I'm going to my Google Cloud account. Okay. We will create an account. No need to worry. Okay. After 1 hour. Okay. And I'm coming here. Guys, can you help me out how to create a machine? Please. Please. How to create a virtual machine?
Create
Create
instance.
instance.
I have to click on the create instance. The template has been opened. Yes. Answer. I have to provide a name.
Name
Please, anyone tell me your name.
Hemant.
Hemant, Hemant. Okay, Hemant, I'm creating a machine into the US Central region. Yes. Okay. After that, I'm taking a general purpose. I don't want a high storage or high capacity. No, my users are very general. Okay, because for the learning purpose, I'm creating this. Okay. And after that, I'm coming here. What will be my CPU memory requirement? Okay. As standard two CPU, that is 1 core and 4 GB RAM is standard, which we are using for the learning purpose. Okay. But now I have an interview question again. If someone will ask you, you all are telling that you have a Linux server in your company. What is the configuration of your Linux server? Give me the answer into the chat box, please. Fast. Guys, I'm creating your base. I'm creating your strong base. Yes. Answer. 20 students are there. 10 GB hard disks. Asha, very wrong answer. If you will say, interviewer will reject in the very first day only, very first question only. No. Next person. 128 GB memory, 2 TB SS drive. Rudra, are you confident that people are using this much? No, yeah, I don't
No,
think so.
in our company, basically there's a server configuration which
Take the
we
screenshot, take the screenshot photograph and send it to me. I don't think so.
okay.
We know this giving some unhypothetical answer, 512 GB. Okay.
It is
Guys,
being used, sir, in the
Vinod,
Oracle database.
that's
Two node
okay.
rack.
That's okay. That's okay. But practically it is very difficult. Okay. 512 GB of RAM. Okay. Do you think that how much charges will be there? And scaling will not be good into this machine. Okay.
I work in government data
Whatever it
centers.
is, that's good. Okay, that's good. But this answer is acceptable, but not a impressive answer. Okay, because you will forget the auto scaling logic, horizontal scaling, auto scaling. All this logic will be failed in this case. Okay, I need a proper answer. Okay, which is using in your company. Anyone, please. Anyone else? Vinod, I will expect that if you are really using this, can you take the screenshot of that and show to everyone? Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll try to show you.
Yep, please. Not me, everyone, please. Yes, others. The exact answer is still pending, which is very general purpose answer. For most of the project, it has been used. Answer. No one. Chalo, no problem. Okay, let me give the answer. Okay. Guys, 32 GB, okay, and 16 core processor is a very standard which most of the company and most of the projects are using. Is that okay? So remember 32 GB RAM and 16 core processor of CPU is very standard. Okay. And the disk is completely depend on the uses. You got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
RAM 32, 16 core CPU and disk. Disk is completely a storage. Okay. It's completely depends. See, I can fulfill my 500 GB is also more than enough. Okay. Because any of the application will consume that much. Okay. Or the storage part, we will store the data into some bucket. Okay. Bucket can be a S3. Okay. Or something like that. Okay. We will not store a data into the machine. It's not advisable. Okay. Because if the machine lose, all the data will also be lost. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? We have to save the data into some other place. That's okay. This should be the simple standard answer. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm closing here, and at this point, I'm taking one CPU, 2 CPU, and 4 GB RAM, standard one. Okay, standard. Okay, and I'm coming down. I'm changing the operating system from here. Whatever the operating system you would like to choose, you can choose from this place. Okay. Today we are using the Ubuntu. Okay. After some 2-3 days, we will start using the CentOS. Okay. When the AWS will come, we will start using the CentOS or Amazon AMI. Okay. At this point, we are using the Ubuntu. I'm taking why the LTS version is coming here. Answer fast. Why the LTS?
The
Long-term
support,
support.
long term.
It's a long-term support. Okay, whenever we are creating any of the server, it should be advisable to use it for a long time, at least for 2 to 3 years. Okay, so my not my personal, but in the real time, whenever you have to use it, you have to choose the LTS version primarily. Okay, cool. 10 GB is the standard one, but we can change it as per our requirement, 10, 12, whatever it is. At this point, I'm just taking 10, 12 GB only. Okay, and in the company it's completely depends, but 500 is a very standard one. You can change it whenever you want. You can change it also. Okay, cool. And I'm just allowing the internet connection inside it, allowing the traffic. Okay, it will charge around $25 per month for me. Okay, but we will create a free account so that it will be completely free of cost for us for the next 3 months into the Google Cloud. Okay, and I'm just clicking on the create. As soon as I will click on the create, my machine will be ready. Have you understood the basic configuration, how to create a machine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next classes, every classes we will increase our level. Okay. Today we discuss 5-7 parameters. Tomorrow we will discuss again 5-7 more parameters, and within some couple of days we will be expert into that. Okay. Cool. And within 30 seconds, my machine will be ready. Okay. Now, in your company, how you are accessing this machine?
Through putty.
SSL.
SSH or PuTTY. Yes, that is a standard answer. Okay. As I'm into the Google Cloud, I have the console access. I can directly click on the SSH. Port number 22 will be allowed for me. My keys are getting transferred. What is this keys? Answer. What is this keys?
Keys to
And
authenticate
security.
the
Correct. Keys to authenticate. Which keys? Name of the keys.
public key and private key.
Correct. Yes, public key and private keys. I will teach you how to create this public key and private key manually also. Okay, but these keys are getting transferred and you will able to see that. Yes, with the help of authorization happen in my this account because both IDs are same. Everything looks good. And with the help of this account, Vikas for Cloud, this is the name. Vikas for Cloud is the account, and it has been converted. And I have logged in into the Hemant machine. Cool. All good till now? Yes. No.
Yes. Yes.
Good. Okay. Now, another question. What is this tilt sign? What is this tilt sign?
The root.
Tilt is for the normal user.
No.
Sorry, tilt is for the home directory.
Arun, now you will not give the answer. Okay. You have to give the opportunity to other person. Okay. Yes, guys, tilt what Arun told. Can anyone repeat?
It's the home directory.
Till home directory.
Asha, wrong answer again. It's a home directory.
I said home directory only.
Okay. It's a home directory. Now I have a question. How can we convert to the root directory? Give me the answer.
cd//
cd/. Okay, when we will put it, see, currently at this point it's a home directory. Okay, as soon as I will put slash, my location has been changed to the root. Now I'm into the root directory. Okay, cool. And this is the root directory of Vikas. This is the home directory of the Vikas user. Okay, and as I want to perform some activity, I will want to become some extra privileges. So I'm just changing my user to root user. So I'm using the command sudo -i. With the help of this command, my user Vikas will be changed to the root user. Okay, guys, in your company also, whenever you are performing any of the activity, okay, in the Linux machine, you are changing to the root user. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Cool. Okay. So I change it to the root now. I'm a root user. I'm again, see, I went for the root location of Vikas, but again, it came to the home location of root. Okay. Now my requirement is again, I want to go to the root location of the root user. Got it? Able
Yes,
to
sir.
understand the difference? Home user, home user of Vikas, root user of Vikas, root user, home location of the root user, root location of the root user. Now this is called C drive. This location is called C drive. If I will type ls, what will happen? All the components, whatever is showing here into the C drive is showing into this place to you. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now this is the location where my C drive. Now I need little bit help from you guys. Can anyone tell me what is this program files?
All installed support files will be stored in the program files.
All
All
installed.
numerical.
Can you repeat it?
All
All other
installed packages will be available in the program files.
Okay, fine, I agree. Okay, cool. Chalo, now I will take the help from this place only so that we will go into the order. Okay, now root is a super user. Whenever the root will come, root is a location also, root is a super user also. How can we change to the root super user? Either with the help of sudo -i command or either with the help of su command as well. Su means switch user. That full form is switch user. Some people will call as a super user. That is also fine. Okay, su can change the user. Sudo -i can become the root user. Okay, guys, don't get confused. Who are a fresher, new person, root is a location, root is a user. Both the things are correct. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
cool.
Agree.
Now I'm coming to my C drive. This is called Windows folder. What is this Windows folder? In the C drive, Windows folder is there. What is this? Yes, answer. Answer. What is this Windows folder? Everyone is writing, I know Windows, I know Linux, I know AWS, I know Google Cloud. Answer. What is this Windows folder?
This is where the folder where the system software and its resource files are stored,
Resource file. What do you mean by resource file, man?
like DLL files and the other support files.
DLL is a .NET concept, yeah.
No, I mean to say,
Chalo, okay. Can I take it very simple? Where the operating system components related to Windows will be installed into this folder or save into this folder, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Same way, there is a etc folder into the Linux, okay, where all the system configuration file will be there. Operating system configuration file will be there. That is called etc location into the Linux. Remember it. Okay. Bin. What is bin folder? Anyone knows what is bin folder? In my C drive, there is a bin folder. Yes. What is bin folder? Yes. Binary files. Correct. What do you mean by binary files? Guys, basics should be very strong. Yes, basics. Yes, bin.
executable
No,
files.
no. I need a new person. New person, please.
Executable files which we can run the program.
Correct. We can directly run as a program. No need to install it. You can directly use it. That is called binary files. Okay. The files which are available into the Linux, which directly can run it, that is called binary files. Okay. Ready to run. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, next question. Okay. There is a user folder into the Windows. What do you mean by this user folder?
It contains all the users created by
Correct. Users which has the access of my operating system, that information will be available into this user folder. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same thing will be available into my user this folder. That's it. Guys, I'm taking I'm just comparing with Windows so that you will able to remember it. Okay. I don't want to teach you the Windows. That is not my intention. That is not into the syllabus, but I want you to understand the Linux. That's why I'm taking the help from the Windows. Is that okay? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Now next question. What is temp folder? TMP.
It's a temporary folder where whenever we install anything, when temporary files gets downloaded, it gets
Correct.
downloaded.
Yes. Some temporary, let us assume we are downloading something big file. It is downloading into the small parts and then it will combine. So that will happen into the temporary folder. That temp location is available into the Windows also. If you will open it, user temp will be there and the temp location will be there. Same thing is available into the Linux also. What is dev folder? In the Linux, there is a dev folder. What is dev folder? Dev folder is my program file. What is this program file? Answer. Guys, what do you mean by this program files? No one knows? Yeah, Asha, go ahead.
It's applications which we install in the system.
Whatever the software or application we are installing into our Windows operating system, that will be available into the program file. Same thing. If we were installing something into the Linux machine, it will go to the dev location. Make sense? Yes or no? Have you understood these components?
Yeah.
Okay, just read it one more time, you will able to remember it. Okay, and try to just type go into this location. Okay, which location? CD/ and all the locations are here. If you want to explore more, go into one by one, not every folder. Okay, not required. Okay, just whatever the 5 folders I'm telling, you have to go into this 5, 6 folder and just have a look into it. That's it. Okay, this is called files structure into the Linux. Okay, if you want to explore more, this all are the different components are there, but not at all, but just spend some time. Okay, spend some time. We can't remember everything, practically not possible. Just spend some time and you will able to understand that yet what exactly it is. Okay, bin command binaries will be there, bootloader file will be there. Okay, which we'll discuss in the next couple of classes. Okay, etc locations files are there, home location directories are there, library, media, main, and so many different folders are there. Okay, just read one keyword for that, you will able to understand very easily. Okay, and in couple of classes we are going to discuss one by one, slowly we will discuss this also. Okay, cool. Now the time came. Okay, this is that much the theory was there. If you understood that much, now the time came for the practical things. Can we jump into the practical? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now I'm into the root location. I don't want to be into the root location. I came into the tilt location. That is my home location. Okay. Now I'm running the commands. Okay. I'm running the very first command, HOSTNAME. As soon as I will run this command, what exactly I get it? I get the name Hemant. What is this Hemant? What is this Hemant?
That is host name of
That
your
is the server name.
Host name is my machine name, server name, virtual machine name, instance name. Yes, Hemant is my name. Okay. And with the help of hostname command, I'm able to see this into my Linux machine. Okay. Do you think that the commands is different into the Windows? No, guys. What is this? What is this?
command prompt.
Command prompt.
The command prompt of my Windows. Okay. If I will run the HOST-NAME command, you will able to see that my machine name is DevOps. It is also showing into this place. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Means the command which we are learning into the Linux may be the similar into the Windows also. Okay. Cool. Chalo, fine. Now I'm coming to the second command, hostname -i. What will happen? Any idea if I will run the hostname -i command?
It display with the IP.
Yes, it will show the internal IP. Guys, try to give the accurate answer. Okay. Answers to everyone given. Okay. And sometimes we given the answers, all answers into the interview, and the result is rejected. Do you know the reason?
We may not given the accurate answer.
Correct. See, student given the IP. Okay. Which IP is this? There are two IPs are there. Now give me the correct answer.
It is internal IP.
It is internal IP. If someone will ask what will happen with the hostname -i command, you given that it is IP. Interview will say, okay, yes, it is IP, but which IP? And if you are not able to do, you will may get rejected. Okay. So try to give the correct answer. This is internal IP. Cool. Now, internal IP, where is the internal IP? Here is the IP 10.128.0.60, 10.128.0.60. Yes, this is the internal IP which we call. What is the use of internal IP? Fast. I already given this answer. Yes.
Internet communication.
No.
It connects internally with the services.
Okay. Any better answer? Yes, answer is correct. Yes. Any other person?
Intranet,
communicate
connecting to
with
the internet.
Intranet level access.
Intranet.
Okay. But still a little bit better answer can be possible. The resource which are into the same cloud, same VPC, same Google Cloud can access with the internal IPs. That is called intranet connections. Okay. So this with the help of hostname -i, I'm getting the internal IP, but I need an external IP. How can I get the external IP?
If config command is there.
Correct. You have to run the curl command. Curl means with the help of curl, you are going to the internet and you are running the ifconfig.me, provide me my external IP and just pressing enter. And here is the output that 34.170.172.220 is my external IP of my machine. Sir, I would like to verify. Yes, you are feel free to verify. This is the external IP. This is called public IP. With the help of curl if config command, you can able to find the external IP of the machine. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next command, uname. Okay. I'm running the command uname. As soon as I will run the uname command, what will happen? I'm getting, this is my Linux flavor. So I'm getting Linux. Okay. Sir, this is not enough information. I want little bit more information. So you can write the abbreviation -a. Means give the all information about this thing. I'm running -a and I'm pressing enter. Now I'm getting little bit more information with the same command uname -a. It's a Linux machine. It is the name of the machine is Hemant. This is the version into the Google Cloud. Okay. This is 20.4 version of Ubuntu. This will be the name when it has been created, what exactly the what we can say the bytes or processors thing, and GNU Linux is the flavor. Okay. So with the help of uname -a command, I'm getting the information about my operating system or information about my machine. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, till now all good?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next question or next command, ls. What do you mean by ls command?
List of files.
List of files,
into the
files
current
and
directory.
directory.
List of files or directory into my current location. Okay. That is called with the help of ls command, we can get it. The full form is list. Okay. Next question, pwd.
Present working.
Present working directory.
Yes. Guys, now whoever knows it, don't give the answer. The person who don't know the answers, please try to give it. Okay. Because we all are here for the learning purpose. We know, try to give the answer. Daryashri, give the answer. Okay. Arun, Asha, everyone who don't know the answers, try to give it. Okay, with the help of pwd command, what will happen? Present working directory. My current location is root is my current location, so it is giving the information, it is into the present working directory. Okay, with the help of pwd command. Now with the help of cd, I'm just taking all the commands from my ppt, which ppt you will get it into your lms system, no need to worry. Okay, cd, with the help of cd command, what will happen?
Current
Change
directory.
directory.
I can
Yeah.
change the directory. Okay, but before that I have to create a directory. Now I'm into this location. Let assume I'm into my desktop, some test location. Okay, I'm into my test location, best 34. Chalo, I'm going into the best 34. Now guys, my requirement,
yes, I am now.
Prasanjit, now my requirement is I have to create a directory here, new folder. How can I create it?
Right click,
Touch command.
Right click, new and
new
folder,
folder.
and I'm able to create the folder here. Okay, and answer is given by Arun, so I'm creating a Arun folder here. This is how we can create into the Windows, correct? Now my simple question, how can we create the folder into the Linux machine?
MK
By
make
using the
Touch
directory.
command.
mkdir.
Guys,
Make directory.
some people are still giving the wrong answer. Okay, if you don't know the answer, be silent, it's okay. Okay, mkdir is a command, make directory, and I'm just typing ARUN, so that what will happen? Arun folder will be created for me. How can I check it?
Using
ls.
the
LS.
With the ls command, I created the directory. Okay, make directory. Mk means make directory. The directory name is Arun, and Arun directory has been created. Now my requirement is I want to create a file. Here I want to create a file. How can I create a file?
Right click, new file name.
File. Okay, text document or something is a file. Okay, file. I'm taking a next person name, Asha. Okay, Asha, ASHA. This is a file. Okay, now I'm creating a same Asha file into my Linux environment. Give me the command.
Touch.
Correct.
Touch.
With the help of touch, ASHA, and my Asha file will be created. Guys, there is a difference. Arun is a folder, Arun is a folder, Asha is a file, Asha is a file. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, chalo, let's come to the PPT again. Okay, we created the folder, we created. Now, I have a Asha file. Okay, I want to create a same file with the, I want to copy and paste the whatever has been contained into the Asha. Same file has to be created again. So we can take the help from the CP command, copy paste ASHA Asha. I would like to create a one more file, the name Asha2. Okay, and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, what will happen? Can anyone imagine and give the answer?
Another file will
We'll
be
create
created.
Asha2 file.
Correct. Asha2 file will be also created with the help of copy paste command CP. I created a file, I pasted it. So Asha2 has been created. That's it. Now, guys, I need a new person. Whoever has given the answer till now, be silent. Okay? New person. Okay, because this is a very simple question. I want to rename this file Asha. How can I do it? Into the Windows. New person. I don't need a new old person. New person. Yes. Guys, simplest question. Give me the answer. How can I rename this file? Pavan, give me the answer. Sanjeevni, give me the answer. Venkatesh, Bhavani. Yeah, Prasanjit, go ahead. I need answer into the Windows only. I can right click, I can go rename, and I can give the name to Asha to Arun, not Arun, Vinod, Binod. Okay, this is how we can rename the file. Correct? Into the Windows. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I want to do the same activity into the Linux. Yes.
move.
Rename.
Move.
MV is a
Oh,
command.
MV,
Okay,
MV.
MV
MV
is a
move.
command. Okay, MV command. I have to take the Asha file. Okay, and I have to change it to BINOD. Okay, BINOD, and I'm pressing enter. And now you can see that Asha file has been changed to the Vinod file. Okay, rename. Rename is a MV command. Okay, MV is has a two options, guys. MV can move the file from one folder to another folder. That is also possible. MV can rename the file if the same file is not available. Got it? This is a confusing interview question. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, cool. Good. Okay, chalo. Now I'm coming here. Okay, MVCP RM. What do you mean by RM command? Some student has already, Venkatesh has already given the RM command. What is RM command?
We can delete the directory.
Correct. With
delete
the
it.
RM command, we can delete the file. Okay, we can remove it. Okay, I am using the RM command and ls, and you can see that Asha2 file has been removed or deleted. In the Linux, if it's deleted, you cannot recover it. There is no recyclable concept into the Linux. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
next command, who am I? WHOAMI. Okay, I'm running the command who am I. As soon as I run this command, whoever has the user has been logged in, that user information will be available here. Who am I? Who logged in at this point? So answer is coming as root. Yes, root is logged in at this point. Cool? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till now, do you think that how many commands we have learned till now? HISTORY. I'm running the command history. With the help of history command, you will able to see that at this point we have learned or we have typed 22 commands in front of you guys. What do you mean by history command? What do you mean by history command?
To list all the commands.
It will give the history, whatever the command I have executed. Correct?
If history command, we can check all the list of command that we have run previously.
That has been executed. Okay, cool. Yes, with the help of history command, this whole command has been executed. So list is showing here. Okay, cool. Now, out of this, guys, tell me which command you haven't understood. At least one command, yeah. Sir,
Tell me what,
Huh?
what are you asking?
I'm asking which command you haven't understood. Let me know, please.
Oh, okay.
At least anyone. Sir, I haven't understood PWD command. I haven't understood touch command. I haven't understood the CP command. Please, anyone. At least, guys, interactive sessions, please. Tell me. Yeah, Andrew, go ahead. Which command you haven't understood?
Oh, I wasn't familiar with the uname command, sir,
Okay,
but now
chalo.
I am.
Okay, fine. Let assume you are not aware about uname command still. Okay, so there is a one command. Okay, man command. Okay, man command says manual. What do you mean by manual? You will able to get the information about this command in a little bit better way, or whatever has been written as a theory for the man command, for the uname command will be shown here. Man manual of the uname, and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, uname command is for the print system information. Yes, it is printing the system information. So man command can help us. If you forget any command, you have to remember the man command so that you will able to remember, get the information about the another command as well. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Cool. Okay. That is called man command. Okay. Two commands I'm missing it. I will come in some couple of minutes here. Okay. Now I'm going into more that. Okay. PS. Can anyone tell me? I want to see the running processes in my Windows machine. How can I see that?
Task manager.
I can go to the task manager. Okay. And here is my task manager. In the task manager, you can able to see that this many processes are running, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If I were to see the same thing into the Linux machine, how can I? Processes. My question is related to process.
PS command.
Yes, I can run the PS command and it will say that the root user is consuming this many processes at this point. Now, all processes are running in my Windows operating system. Now I need my user specific this thing. So I can go into the users, I can open it, and you can able to see that this user, my username is admin, and it is consuming this all the processes. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Same way, the PS command is giving this information for my particular user, the root user. Okay, cool. This is called PS command. Okay, processes. wget. What do you mean by wget command? wget.
You download the files or packages from the Internet.
Correct. If I want to download anything from the internet, I can take the help from the wget command and I can give the complete URL, and that particular file will be downloaded in my machine. Okay, with the help of wget command. Cool. In my Windows machine, I have a process manager like this. I can able to see my CPU, memory, disk users, and all this information. How can I see this in my Linux machine as well?
By using top command.
Correct. Guys, yes, the answer is correct. With the help of top command, I can able to see the running processes in my machine. Okay, I'm making a full screen. Okay, and you are able to see that top command is telling from the last 25 minutes, my machine is running. Okay, okay, one user has been logged in into this machine. Okay, average load is this much, this many 103 tasks are running, 100 and three different PIDs or tasks are running into this place. One is running, 100 are sleeping, one is actively working, this root user is actively working, rest all are sleeping, rest all are not very active at this point. Okay, and after that, this much is the memory I'm using it. Okay, this much is the swap memory I'm using it. Okay, and some information about my CPU, memory, and all the information of the task manager will come with the help of top command. Top command is a task manager of the Linux. Got it? Yes, no?
So,
okay, how to come out from this? You have to type Q and you will be out from this, otherwise it will be into the actively running state. Okay, you have to type Q and you will be out of that. Okay, now I created some couple of minutes back, I created some file. Okay, I created a Vinod file. Okay, with the help of touch, I'm creating one more file, Asha1. Okay, and now I have created multiple files, Vinod file, Asha file. Now I want to read this file. How can I read this file? That what is written
Like
inside the Asha file or what is written into the Vinod file.
a cat command.
Correct. There is a cat command. With the help of cat command, I can able to read whatever has been written inside it. Okay. At this point, nothing has been written into this file. Okay. So I'm getting an empty response. Chalo. Now my requirement, guys. My requirement is, where is my folder? Here is my folder. Vinod. Vinod was empty, 0 KB. Now I want to write something inside this file. How can I write it?
Text editor.
By VI.
VIM command.
I have to open this. Okay, I have to take the help from some software. That software can be a notepad software, and I can go inside it and I can type it. I am LER learning LINUL Linux with Vikas. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
have to save it. How to save it?
File, save.
Address.
File and save, right? Right,
Yes.
and my data has been saved and it is of 1 KB saved. Okay, cool. Means I have to take the help from one software. Let us assume in the Linux, I have to open the Vinod file. Okay, I have to take the help from the software. VI is the editor. I'm taking the help from the VI editor and I'm opening this file now. Okay, and I want to type it, so I'm into the I'm just typing it. I will take a separate class. Okay, no need to worry, but I'm teaching you how can we edit the file, how can I save the file. Okay, I'm teaching, I'm writing it here. I am LEAR learning Linux. Okay, with Vikas, and this is my first day. This is my FI fifth day. Sorry, day 5. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now my requirement is I have to save it. Now give me the answer in terms of Linux, how to save the file. In Windows, to Control S.
Colon
Yeah.
W.
Colon right quit.
Guys, I need a correct answer. Column WQ is a correct answer, but still it's incomplete answer. Full answer.
Escape.
Yes. I have to type escape, double column WQ, and then it will be saved. Arun, how much is your experience?
I have 8 years of experience in Unix.
Okay. You have 8 years of experience into Unix. That's why you know the answers, correct?
Yes, sir.
Guys, see, Arun, now you have to let me know at the end of this Unix session, is I cover your all 8-year experience in my classes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Great. Or whatever is missing, let me know so that I can add in my course.
Sure, sir.
Good. Okay. This
Yes.
is a deal between you and me. Okay.
Agree,
so,
sir. Agree.
so I can say, I can prove that my courses belong to the 8 years of experience person who has a Unix 8-year experience, and I can teach this into the 8 days. Good.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, others. Okay, guys, you are able to understand that I created a file Vinod, I saved it. Now my requirement is I want to see that what is written into the Vinod file. How can I see?
Cat.
Good. Asha, I know you are experienced, but do you know before that also this commands?
I know few Linux commands. I don't use much, but yeah, I know
Now,
few.
now trust me, you will be expert into the Linux, and within 1 week, Linux will be in your resume.
Yeah.
Okay, cat Vinod, and I am able to see that yes, whatever has been written inside it. Earlier it was empty, now it is has some information inside it. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes,
but
sir.
Cool, good.
how can we, see the last line in that file only?
I will come. I will come. Okay, there is a tell command. Okay, tell command. With the help of tell, I can able to read the last 10 lines, 5 lines, whatever is required. Okay, I will show. Okay, I will create a big file and I will show. Cool. Tell. This is the command which you are asking. Okay, a specific number of lines from the bottom. I will create a big file and I will show. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what I have taken here, I created a file. Okay. With the help of v-editor, I open it. Okay. And I have to save and exit. So I press I, insert, I type escape, double column, WQ for saving the file. You have to remember it, guys. Who are new into the Linux, you have to remember this. Whenever we are talking about the v-editor, it has two modes, insert mode and command mode. When I type I will be into the insert mode, so then I can type. When I will type escape, I will be into the command mode. Okay, no need to worry if you are not able to understand. I have a separate part where I will teach you the vi editor tips and tricks, and all these things will come in front of you. Okay, so just in the next class we will able to understand. Okay, cool. I'm going back here. Okay, yep. And next command is get. I want to get more information about my operating system. Okay, so can you guys help me out? What is this command? I need your help, guys. Okay, tell me what is this command? What will happen with the help of this command? With the help of cat command, I am reading some file. Correct?
Return the release version of voice version.
Okay. But with the help of cat command, I am just reading this file. Correct? Whatever has been written inside this file, I will read it. Correct? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm just reading whatever is written into this file, and as soon as I open it, I get to know that all the operating system related information is in front of me. Okay, name, it's Ubuntu, version is 20.4. The name of the 20.4 version is
Cat
token.
// OS release.
Yes, Prasanjit, yes. Okay, yeah. And after that, it's telling Ubuntu, it is coming into the Debian family. It has this version. This is the version from this. This is will be the home URL, supported URL, and some more information related to my operating system release. Okay, got it? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so as a homework, okay, today you have to find out what will be the size. Okay, no, wait. I will give a homework after 5 minutes. Okay, what is free command? FRE. I want to check the memory into my machine. Okay, with the help of free command, I will able to see that this much is the memory of my machine. This is currently using, this much is free. Okay, with the help of free command, I will able to check the RAM. Okay, the free hyphen m. If I'll type free hyphen m, okay, what will happen? At this point, this information is coming into the bytes. Now this information is coming into the
Megabytes.
megabytes, MB. Okay, if I will type G, okay, it will give the information into the
Gigabytes.
gigabytes. Okay, so there is a difference, guys. Free command will give the memory. This is the total. We are aware that around 3.9 MB or 4 MB we have taken it. Yes, 4 MB we have taken it, and this is the information is coming here. Now this is about the memory. Now I have a question about the disk. How much is the disk using or available into my machine? Can you tell me the command?
Is it df space-h?
df-h. Guys, be smart. Fresher also knows this all things. Okay, df-h. Okay, with the help of df-h, you can able to see that yes, this is my disk uses. I took the 12 GB storage, just 12 GB, 2 GB is currently using, 9 GB is free, 17% is free into the root location. Yes, this is called mounting point also, and this is called the disk information about my machine. So I'm giving a homework to you. Okay, 3 homeworks. Okay, find in your company, okay, whatever is the CPU memory of your machine. Okay, CPU memory of your machine. Okay, or yes, no? Okay,
Yes.
how much is the CPU memory is using in your machine and which flavor it is. So you have to just run the OS list command. You will get the flavor information. You will run the CPU memory command. Then you will able to see the CPU memory of your server as well. That's it. So explore your current server, whatever is in your company. Okay, so that your real-time exposure will be get increase. Cool? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm running the history command, history. In the today's class we have run 37 commands in front of you. I'm just copying this all commands. Okay, as this is the very first day, I'm just giving into the chat box. Okay, copy this 37. No, sorry, it was not copied. Okay, and I'm giving you this 37 commands. You also have to execute the same 37 commands in your machine as a homework for today. Cool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you copied all this command into your notepad? Just copy paste. Okay, so one time just copy paste. If you are already experienced, it's okay, no need to do all these things. If you don't know about the Linux, just execute this copy paste, otherwise type it by own, both are fine. Okay, but you have to practice this 37 commands by today. Cool. Okay, now these are the basic command which we have to be aware about it, around 15-20 commands. Now some more system administration related commands will come in the tomorrow class. Okay, in the next class our level will get increased. level commands we will understand, networking level commands we will understand, public key and private key concepts also we will understand. I'm coming into the public key and private key because I don't want to give all the 100 commands in one day. No, okay, I will give 20 commands per day, so that in the 5 days 100 commands will be in your pocket or you will remember. Cool?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Chalo. Now tell me the answer. What is private key and public key concept? What is this? Have you heard this keyword, public key, private key? Yes, definitely you have heard. Guys, this will be your first day. As soon as you join any of the company and you don't know this concept, manager or your team lead will understand you are a fake experienced person.
Well, because private key is your personal password, and the public key is generated by the machine for communication.
Okay, correct. Little bit okay. Okay, but guys, trust me, if you don't know this concept, your first day, this will be your first day work. Okay, if you don't know this thing, your first day will be, if you ask that how to generate a key, because your manager will say, as soon as you will join the company or project, your manager, it's not for a DevOps or cloud engineer, any of the technical, okay, Linux admin support engineer also you join the company. Okay, your manager will say that we want to provide you the access. Your lead will say we want to provide the access. Can you provide your public key or private key? Okay, he will say that can you provide your key? Then what you will do on a very first day?
Keygen will generate a key by keygen.
Answers by everyone. I need answer from everyone because first day will happen for everyone. Don't say that I will ask the help. No, no one will provide you the help. If you are a 10-year experience, 15-year experience, 5-year experience, you will feel shy to ask the help of this very basic question. Give me the exact answer. What to do? You will get the access. You will run the SSH keygen command in any of the machine. Okay. And what you will do, you will run this SSH keygen command. Okay, in any of the machine, I'm going into this machine and I'm just running the SSH keygen command. Okay, as soon as I press the enter SSH keygen and I press the enter, it is telling me it is generating the public key and private key. It will generate both the keys in one shot. Are you able to see that in my machine, in my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It will generate the public key or private key, both the keys at one shot Where will be the location? This will be the location. He is telling, I would like to create the public key and private key into this location. I am telling yes. I am just typing enter, so that what will happen? Yes, it is acceptable. Okay. He is telling, do you want to provide the password for public key, private key? I don't want to, so I'm just pressing enter. I'm just verifying the password, enter, and then my public key and private key has been generated. Okay, guys, this is my password. Are you able to understand?
No.
Right? If your password is hello world 123, welcome 123, anyone can able to log in your machines, right? Now, this is my password, which is RSA 256 encrypted password has been generated for me. If you will say that I have to type this password also, I may not able to type it. Okay, cool. Now, I'm just explaining you what exactly the location. I'm going into this location. Where is the location? Root SSH .ssh folder. Okay, I'm going into this location. How can I go into this location? With the help of
CD.
with the help of CD, with the help of change directory. I'm just changing the location and I'm pressing enter. Now I'm into the .ssh location. With the help of CD change directory command, I'm changing the command, changing the location, and I'm typing ls. Now I have two keys are available: IDRSA, IDRSA pub. PUB is a public key, RSA is a private key. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Two
Yes.
keys has been generated. Okay. Now your manager has asked, can you provide me your keys? So which key you will provide? Can you give me the answer?
Private key.
Who is telling private key? Who is telling private key? Prasanjit?
We have to get the public key.
Share our public key.
Correct. Don't provide the private key. Okay. If you provide the private key in your manager or lead, okay, your manager will say that you are a fake experienced person. Got it? Yes or no? Are yes,
Yes,
no? Okay. Don't ever provide the private key to anybody. Okay. You have to only provide the public key. If you provided in my company, if someone provided the private key to me, I understood that he don't know the basics of the Linux itself. So I will give the work accordingly. Simple. Okay. I don't want my student to do the same mistakes. Okay. Guys, everyone clear? Can you type clear into the chat box? Which key you have to provide? Everyone, please type it. Which key you will provide to your team lead or manager? Because this is very important. Yes. Everyone, only one person type. Everyone, 3% type, 4, 5. Everyone type it, please. Which key you will provide? Everyone, 6, 7, 8 student type. We are 25. I need 25 messages. Yes, please, everyone. Which key you will provide? Fast. Arun provided, Rohan, Mahesh, everyone, please. After Mahesh, I get only 8 answers. Still 20 answers are pending. Please, everyone, please. Daryashri, okay. Public, yes, everyone. Please, everyone. Kavita, I haven't get an answer from you. Musafir, I haven't get an answer from you. Nitish, Pawan, yes, Rohan, please, everyone. Sumit, Vinod, everyone. Everyone. Yes, we have to provide the public key only. Okay. Remember this keyword. Students are getting confused. You don't have to get confused because you have type it public key. Okay. Now, my requirement is, can I open this key and see? Yes, you can open and see that also. I'm just running the cat command. With the help of cat command, I'm able to see that. And yes, you will able to say that this is my key, which has been generated by the Hemant machine. And here is my key. Guys, if I will say that this is my password, are you able to remember it?
No, sir.
No, right? We can't remember it. Cool. Fine. Looks good. Okay. This is called my public key. I can open my private key also with the help of cat command, ID, RSA. And this is my private key. Okay. It has been mentioned that private key. Yes, this is my private key. Okay. We can't type it. We can't copy paste. Okay. We can't write it anywhere. Okay. Now, sir, we generated the key. How it works? Can anyone tell me the answer? Sir, we generated two keys. How exactly it works? Experienced person, give me the answer. Answer. We generated a two key. Public key you have provided to your manager. Yes. Then how exactly it will work?
The public key needs to be copied to the servers so that
Correct.
we can log in into the
See,
server.
you given the public key to a manager, your manager will be copy that key into some servers or whatever the server access he has to provide, he will copy that key to all that servers. Correct? Yes or no? That is your manager or lead work. After that, what you will do? He will say that yes, we have provided the access to you. Don't expect that they will provide you the password and all these things. This is 2024. They will not provide the password. Are you logging in your company with the passwords? Guys, tell me.
No.
Say, yeah, some companies are still using the passwords. I know most of the company has a password of hello world internet 123 welcome 123. Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so yes, they will provide the key. Then what you will do, your keys has been put it into the server. You will log in with the SSH command. I will teach you this commands. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, you will connect with your private key. Okay, you will use your private key and connect it to the server. With the help of putty, you are giving the SSH private key and the server IP, and you will able to connect to the machine. Correct? Yes or no? Asha, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. I will do the same activity when we will use the AWS machine, because AWS is primarily using the public key, private key concepts. Okay. Manually, we will do it manually. Okay. In the GCP, everything is very automated. So we directly use it. Okay. Cool. Now, guys, we have a time. Okay. We have a 15-minute time. I would like to give a 2-minute time to you. Okay. And we are going to create a GCP account in front of you. Okay. So I may need your help only. Okay. How can I need your help? I will help you out what all things, how we have to create a GCP account. Just give me a second. Extra for class. I will upload this document also. Okay. And in the next 15 minutes, we are going to create a Google Cloud account. Okay. So creating a Google Cloud account, that is a GCP account, I need a valid Gmail account. Okay. Valid Gmail account means it should be similar to your credit card or debit card name. Okay. So what will happen? Not 100% same, but 50-60% should be same. Let's assume your name is Vikas. So your debit card or credit card also mention Vikas. Okay. Cool dude, happy dude, Punjab guy will not acceptable, because the verification of this account will happen. And if it's worked, there may be chances within 1 day, within 15 days, or within 20 days, they may block your account again. Okay. So your valid Gmail account and valid credit card will be required. It will charge you 1 rupee, or sometime it will charge you 2 rupees. That is completely refundable. You will get refunded within a 1 or 2 days only. Okay. And we will create a free GCP account. As soon as we will create an account, what will happen? A 300 free credits, $300 free credit will come to your account, so that whatever the machine, whatever the servers we will create it, they will charge from this amount only. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes,
Got it.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's take a small break, 2-minute break. Okay. And come up with this detail. Okay. With your Gmail account, which Gmail account you want to use. Credit card, OTP will come to your mobile phone. So be available with the OTP mobile phone as well. Okay. And we will create an account. Okay. I'm giving a 2-minute time to arrange all these things. Okay. And whoever has already arranged in the first 2 minutes, okay, you can go for a small break of 2 minutes. Okay. Just 2-minute break, and please come back with these details. Fine? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay. Wait. Before that, how was the today's class? Able to understand? How is the things
Yes,
going
sir.
on?
Super clear.
Right? You are able to understand the Linux command, at least 20 commands in 1 day. Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, not only 1 or 2%.
Yes,
20 commands today, 20 command
Yes.
tomorrow, 20 command in the next 5 days. Okay, 20 commands per day, and 100 commands in your pocket. You will understand that. That's it. Okay. And if you know 100 command, you can write in your Linux that you know Linux. That's it. Cool. Okay. I was not very fast. I was not very slow. The delivery was fine. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Pretty
sir.
good.
Cool. Okay. Chalo, guys, go for 2 minutes break and please come back. Guys, I'm back. What about you? Time is also up. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, we are back.
Yes, sir.
Who is creating the account in front of
Yes, sir.
everyone? Who is creating the account, Google Cloud account in front of everyone? Venkat, you want to create? Guys, who is creating the account in front of everyone? Because you have to create account. I will help you out. I will guide you.
Yes, I can.
Hemant, cool, good, thank you. Hemant, I'm just giving a little bit high level overview. Okay, we will create a separate recording for this. Okay, I'm
Okay.
stopping the recording and we will provide the separate recording. Okay, which we will not put into the YouTube. Okay, which will be available in our LMS system. Okay, I'm stopping the recording and I will start a recording one more time.